Hello students, reaction today is Perkin condensation reaction. Perkin condensation reaction takes place between an aromatic aldehyde and aliphatic anhydride which contain alpha carbons, and alpha carbons have alpha hydrogens. In presence of sodium acetate followed by heating, we are getting alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. This is carboxylic acid. This is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. Between alpha and beta carbon there is a double bond, so it's called alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. And here I am going to give you a scientific tricks to directly predict the product. Here we can think about this is CH2 and like one hydrogen, so we can think about this H2 and this oxygen is leaving as CH water molecule. Now this carbon double bond will make a bond with this carbon. Here you can see this is a benzaldehyde carbon is making a double bond with the carbon from the acetic anhydride. So this is the way we are getting carbon-carbon double bond, and then we have a carboxylic acid. Now let's explore the mechanism to know that how we are getting alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. First, sodium acetate gives acetate anion and Na plus. CH3C double bond O minus, this acetate anion acts as a base. It abstracts the alpha hydrogen from acetic anhydride, a nucleophile generate. Now benzaldehyde, this carbon is electrophilic in nature. So this electrophilic carbon, now nucleophile attack to the electrophilic carbon and new bond forms between the two carbon atoms. So this is the blue color carbon belongs to benzaldehyde, and this brown color carbon, this carbon is belongs to acetic anhydride. Now another carbonyl group is present. So pi electrons move towards the oxygen. Now this O minus attack to this carbon and we are getting a 6-membered cyclic ring. Now again this O minus move towards the carbon and carbon oxygen bond breaks. So now the again 6-membered ring breaks. Now we know that acetyl is a better leaving group. So that's why this carbon oxygen bond breaks and CH3C double bond O minus is leaving. Now this carbon become positively charged. So this next adjacent carbon hydrogen bonding electrons donate to this positively charged carbon to form a double bond. So here we are getting a C double bond C, and now it is a C double bond O minus. This O minus abstract the proton. This hydrogen is leaving as a H plus. So this O minus abstract this proton and we are getting alpha beta unsaturated carboxylic acid. This carboxylic acid is called cinnamic acid, and as a byproduct we are getting acetic acid.